Welcome to this informational video where we explore how to build a successful maintenance apprenticeship program. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In the next few minutes, we will unlock insights from an industry expert on how to train tomorrow's workforce while solving real-time business problems. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team looking for innovative ways to foster young talent, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Finding and training young talent is a challenge many organizations face today. But what if there was a way to train tomorrow's workforce while they work on real business problems? That's exactly what a maintenance apprenticeship program offers. And today we're diving into how you can create one in your organization, with insights from April Johnson, an engineering and maintenance manager at PepsiCo. April recently collaborated with a local trade school in California to launch a maintenance apprenticeship program. She shared some valuable advice for those looking to start their own programs. First off, it's crucial to involve your mechanics. They are the ones who will be training and teaching your apprentices, so their input and suggestions are invaluable throughout the program development process. Building a strong relationship with educational institutions is another key step. When reaching out to a trade school or high school vocational program, make sure to establish a personal contact. Having a champion at both the business and the school creates a channel for sharing feedback about the student's performance and experiences. When selecting apprentices, remember to hold real interviews. This not only helps in choosing the right apprentices, but also provides a real-life interview and screening test experience for a larger group of students. Once you've selected your apprentices, allocate time for basic training. This should cover how to use simple hand tools and power tools, a crash course on manufacturing, maintenance, and your specific industry. It's also important to go over safety policies and procedures before starting hands-on tasks. Try to balance book learning with on-the-job observations and gradually progress to hands-on work. Many programs include some type of competency test before moving on to the next area. Weekly 360 feedback sessions are crucial. Just like they help with your permanent staff or outside consultants, these sessions provide excellent opportunities to gather feedback on your maintenance apprenticeship programs and guide your students' development. Encourage your apprentices to ask questions, take notes, be open to feedback, and not be afraid to try things out. Teaching apprentices to network is also vital. Ensure that each apprentice not only has a main supervisor or mentor, but also gets the opportunity to meet and work with different individuals throughout your organization. The relationships formed during the apprenticeship are one of the biggest advantages of the program. Establishing a maintenance apprenticeship program can be a great investment, setting up an effective long-term stream of young talent coming to your company. If you provide a great learning experience, your apprentices will naturally promote your program to younger students and others in the community. For more insights on maintenance apprenticeships, join the conversations in the maintenance community. This platform offers a wealth of information and experiences shared by professionals in the field. April Johnson, with her extensive experience in maintenance and reliability, including the use of methodologies and tools like RCFA, TPM, IL6S, PM, PDM, RCM, CMMS, and CBM, emphasizes a safety-first approach in all her endeavors. Her passion for implementing and managing maintenance systems and processes supports the goals of her organization and serves as an inspiration for those looking to enhance their maintenance strategies. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. We've discussed the importance of maintenance apprenticeship programs and how they can help train the workforce of tomorrow while solving real-time business problems. We hope you found this information valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you want to learn more about UpKeep and our services, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.